everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I have a project share for you guys. I was very much inspired by the Summer Mood collection by Bo Bunny. I shared a haul with you guys on my last video, and I just absolutely love this paper. I had to cut into it right away, and that doesn't normally happen, but I was just very inspired to work with it. And I also used the CC Designs stamp set. I used the image here, and this was gifted to me by my BFF Erica. Hey girl, thank you for this stamp. It is adorable, and I finally got to use it. And this is called Popsicle. And I also used this washi tape. I believe this is from Hobby Lobby, I think, I want to say. I used the tassels. I actually used both of them, but this is the package here, and this is from the Dollar Spot. I think maybe from last year, but this was gifted to me by my other bestie, Sophia. Hey girl, thank you for the tassels. I love them. Used the stickers. These are the puffy stickers from Michaels. I also used this Dear Lizzie dimensional embellishment pack, and this was gifted to me by Erica as well. And I think that's it. Oh, I used the Park Lane paper, and can I just say, this paper is awesome, and it's pretty thick. I didn't realize how thick it was, but it's, I would say, like 110-pound paper. And then, sorry, I did use this Clearly Bold acetate pad by We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm so happy I bought this. I had gotten it when it was clearanced at Hobby Lobby, so I only paid $3.45 for it, but I did use the yellow and the pink acetate. So I think that's about all the supplies I used. So let me go ahead and just share with you guys what I created. I made this Popsicle little mini album, and I plan to put my kids' pictures in there, hopefully. But I love it. It's so cute. And so let me just go ahead and put it down and share it with you guys, and let me see if I can zoom in a little bit so you guys can see a little better. Okay, so I basically cut the shape of the popsicle, with the exception of the handle here, the popsicle stick, that I hand cut, but the shape of the popsicle itself, I used my Cricut to cut it because I didn't have a huge popsicle die, and so I went ahead and cut this, and it's actually a tag, and that's why it already created the hole in the upper center there, and which was perfect because, you know, I knew I was going to make this like a little flip book mini album. So sorry guys, I don't know why I'm lifting it up. I'll just put it down, I guess. So to make the popsicle stick, I actually used, first of all, 110-pound cardstock so that it'd be nice and sturdy, and I used that as the base for the body of the popsicle and also the popsicle stick. And then I did use that Park Lane paper from Joann's, as you can see here, because it has the wood grain design on it. Here's the acetate piece, and it's not glued on or anything. I just have it clipped on with this paper clip here that I had purchased from, oh, where did I get this? I can't even remember. I think this was a Hobby Lobby clip. Anyway, I used the sticker, the layered sticker from this collection, and I just absolutely love it, and I just adhered that on the acetate itself. Now the acetate does not have the little popsicle stick because I just wanted it to overlay over the paper over here. And this is one of the design paper. And then I didn't decorate every single page because I want to put pictures in it. So for this one here, I wanted to keep it flat, so I basically embellished it with flat things like the sequins here that I just kind of layered and glued. And then this is a sticker from the collection as well as this one. And then on this page here, I actually stitched this crepe paper. There's about 3 layers. I used my sewing machine, used my gold thread, which you can't see now because I covered it up with the washi tape from Hobby Lobby. But before I laid the washi tape, I actually put the washi tape on top of white cardstock, just to make sure that the you will be able to see the popsicles. I wanted it to pop out, I mean. And this here is one of the stickers from that pack that Erica gave me, the Dear Lizzie sticker pack. And then I just put some random gems on there, and this is another sticker from the collection. And then on the other side of this, it's pretty plain because I did not want to make. I'm going to put pictures on that one. And here, what I did here is these. Oh, this is one of the stickers from the collection, the layered chipboard stickers. And then this one here is the ephemera piece from the collection. I just stickled it, and then I put a button. And then I originally just had just these 2 on there, and it just looked so plain, so I added some gems and the puffy stickers from Michaels. And then I decided to add this piece here. And this was layered over this piece here. So they came in the same pack. And it is one of those pages where, more is more. So then the back side is plain. And then here, this is where I Copic colored the image and then fussy cut it. And I kind of made a mistake though, because I put pink eyeshadow on her, and then, I don't know, I glittered it up, and now it looks like she's been out in the snow because she's all sparkly up there. It looks like ice. But anyway, just Copic colored it and then put some stickles. And then I actually stitched here on this little sticker. Wait, it's not a sticker, it's one of the ephemera pieces. And then stitched also here and fringed the layers. And this is about 3 layers as well. So that's that one. And then that's plain. And then here I just put dimensionals underneath here to make it pop up. And it's one of the cut aparts from the collection. And then as well as this one, the flower. And then I layered the roses here. These are my rolled roses made out of crepe paper. And then I put some gems on the typewriter. So really simple one there. And then here I made a shaker. And as you can see, I have shaker bits all over because I pretty much made a hot mess with the shaker bits. I had originally made this shaker using my fuse tool, and somehow I just couldn't get it to seal, and it just kept spilling out the sequins and confetti in there. So I decided to just whip out my sewing machine and stitched all around. And so that's what I did there. And then I put this, one of the, again, cut aparts, or not a cut apart, but ephemera pieces. And it says, "You're my main squeeze." And then I put this pretty, very soft to bow. And this is from my stash. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby. And I just put a bunch of sequins in there, and it does shake really well. And then the back also has a lot of sequins. And I also put one of the stickers, one of the stickers over here. And then for the last, is this the last page? Yeah, I think this is the last page. For the last page, I did another acetate piece, and I absolutely love this acetate. It's just, the colors are so vibrant, and it was perfect for this little mini. And then I stitched all over this one. So I stitched this first, the crepe paper, and then after that, these are the ephemera pieces from the collection. I just did another stitch here to attach this, and then to attach this, I put another stitch over here, and then I glued this heart on there. And the heart I just punched out. This is one of the papers. And then I just put a little camera clip to just to keep that from, I keep these two together, and I just kept this one untouched as well. Maybe I'll put another photo, or behind it I'll put a photo. But that's it. And then here are my little tassels from Sophia. So I absolutely love the way it came out. I think it's so cute, and I hope you guys liked it, and let me know what you think. So I enjoyed making this. It's so fun, and this collection is just so fun. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Bye for now.